Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side to the settings button, so here we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down, and here we can find show grid lines option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need. For now let me keep turned on the grid lines and let's move back to the camera. Now in the preview we can see them, so this is how they look like. And they are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines here in the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the right corner, then to the left settings, slide down a little bit again and pick this button with show grid lines to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.